My name is Wale Atoyebi. We are very grateful for the kind and generous support of the OFNC towards our work with those affected with sickle cell disease in Nigeria. Your funding has two objectives. First, to provide treatment with a drug called hydroxycarbamide to those most affected by this disease. This drug is the best studied and produces the best results, reducing crisis and complications in this disease. Additionally, the funding will support some basic treatments with antibiotics, vaccinations, and anti-malarials. The second objective is to support the care of a cohort of newborn babies. We know that in the first year of life, there is a high risk of complications and early death. With simple interventions, we can reduce this. Your funding will support the purchase of antibiotics and anti-malarials as well as vaccinations for this group of babies. These are recommended interventions in sickle cell disease. In the Western world, they are free. Unfortunately, in Nigeria, families incur huge out-of-pocket expenditure to fund these interventions. We will work with the Asokoro District Hospital. This is a large hospital in a suburb of Abuja with a huge patient population, but major deprivation. The SCORE charity was established to improve care and outcomes in those affected with sickle cell disease in Nigeria. This will be the vehicle for supporting the work that the OFNC is funding. We are working with the hospital, including doctors, nurses, management, and the finance team. We are establishing an MOU for the project to define its purposes, obligations, timelines, and responsibilities. Patients in greatest need will be identified. Drugs and other items will be bulk purchased for cost effectiveness purposes. There will be a clear pathway for invoicing and payments between the charity and the hospital. With continuous review of the data and outcomes, we will use a form which will also form the basis of a research project. There will be great opportunities for the OFNC, including raising the awareness of the disease, as well as opportunities for individuals to spend time in Nigeria via our EU-funded ARISE program. The website details are below. Finally, this slide summarizes some of the costings we have undertaken to make sure that this work is not only affordable but manageable. Thank you to the OFNC for your ongoing kind and generous support for patients with sickle cell disease in Nigeria. Thank you for listening.